Okay. Okay.
Go back to.
All right. Hey, how's it going?
Is that a drifting car?
This is a rally car.
Oh, it's a rally car. Oh.
Yeah, it's a Tamiya rally car, XM-01
So you got,
chassis.
rally tires?
Yes, rally block tires. Right there, see? It's so
You
good.
have a class like this, man, off-road rally.
Yeah, we do. This is so much fun. Like,
Out of the box like that?
this is a higher level Tamiya kit.
Oh,
So out of the box is like that. You want to try?
No, okay.
Here, why don't you try? Get a feel for
You
it.
didn't bring your bus?
No, only for the special race, the January race. I'm changing my Carmen gear to a Beetle next season. Yeah. This one you can be creative. You can slide and.
You guys come here every Saturday or?
So with Julian, like we have a Facebook group, and he does it like at least once a month, sometimes twice a month. So what he does is he draws on a chalk on the ground. You know, just very simple. Yeah.
Which one's Julian?
Julian,
He raced at Marina, or?
he races at Limo.
Oh,
Yeah, you've probably seen him. Taller French guy, French accent. Yeah, he's probably sitting down right there, but
he's the one who's making the hog?
yeah. And you guys are starting to do this more often?
I think I come here once in a while. I broke my XM-01, the very first one, maybe?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so I try it, so all-wheel drive. I did racing with you guys there.
Oh, okay.
It's all-wheel drive, E1.
Ah, okay.
Like the original X-Ray one back in the day.
Yeah. I hope to see you guys more often here, you know, like the same day we
usually go on the other side.
The other side.
Yeah.
What, is there more space over there?
Because you park where your car is, it's, you know, right here, they're blocked.
Okay.
So we just open our trunk.
I see.
Yeah.
Got it.
Easier to unload.
Okay.
There's not much, like, right here, I see waves.
Yeah, it's not flat.
Right here, the screen, everyone's like singing there.
Bouncing.
Yeah.
But it's still good fun.
Yeah, so good spot.
Yeah.
I'll probably go fishing while I'm racing.
Okay.
Cool. I'll see you
All right.
Saturday?
I don't know if I can make it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's why I'm doing it today here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But maybe next month in June.
Yeah.
I'll try to make it.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll see you then.
All right, see you, Dom.